Building number 15. Let's see. It's fine on the roof. Every time it drops down, it's leaking in behind these lower levels. It shouldn't be running out from behind it. I think it just needs some repair all the way along. Every building seems to be the same on these little drop downs. They're leaking like a sieve. Not a lot of water coming out of the roof, but they don't seem to be hitting the eaves trough properly. Running in behind it. Building 15, face of the 6th Street. Looking down at the end there, it looks like the same thing. Nothing leaking off the top as far as I can see. I come fine off the roof. I would say I've got concerns with the lower shelves. See water running at the end there too. Take a walk down, take a look. I think every building I've seen is about the same. There's some flashing a bit loose there. That one is not a lot of water coming out. See that? It's all running, it's missing the eaves trough, running in behind it. It's coming to the ground. Pretty good rain. Recyclable bottles here. Here's pouring out of that lower level. And building 15, walking around the end here. Let's take a look at the east side of the building. That one isn't bad. And I see water running here. Once again, see that? It's not making it to the 2nd and the 3rd. Whatever. I see a splash guard up there, but for some reason it's running in behind the splash guard. And I'd say it's the same thing here. Once again, water running up there. Boom, kaboom. I think we found something.